You may have heard that the long vowels in English are the vowels that say their name. For example, A, E, I, O, U. There's also an oo sound made by a double O. For this video, I'm just going to focus on what I think of as the pure vowel sounds. That's because the other vowel sounds are technically diphthongs, meaning they are two sounds brought together, and I'll cover those in the next video. So the two pure sounds in American English are E and oo. The long E sound is the sound in words like be or eat or very. It is the way the letter E sounds. When you make the long E sound, your tongue will arch up higher than in any other sound in English, making a very steep slide. You can see my tongue is way up there. E, E. You should also smile for this sound. I think more than any other sound in English, this is the smiling sound. E. E, E. It is very common in the United States for photographers to ask you to say cheese before a picture because it will make you smile.
Say cheese.
Cheese.
Cheese. Practice the E sound with me by reading these sentences. We see feet. We need to eat these feet to feel serene. We feed on feet and meat. We aren't clean. Let's try that one more time, a little bit faster. We see feet. We eat. Sorry, I screwed up. One more time, a little bit faster. We see feet. We need to eat these feet to feel serene. We feed on feet and meat. We aren't clean. Oo. Oo is the long double O sound in words like Oo is the long double O sound in words like food or boot, although you will also see it spelled with an O in the word do, U in words like Uber or Duke, and even UI in fruit. So this sound appears in different places, but it is the oo sound, oo. When you make this sound, your tongue will arch a little bit, making a small slide, and the front of your tongue will rest on the bottom of your mouth. When I make this sound, my lips go into almost the same shape as a W or w sound. Ooh, ooh. The end of that sound for me almost sounds like a W, and it's very easy to go into it from that sound. Ooh, wah, wah, wah. I think of this as the impressed sound.
Watch this. Watch this. I can take my thumb off. Huh? Huh?
Ooh. Practice the ooh sound with me by reading these sentences. When you blew on the new food, it was rude, and you knew. Who do you lose to? You lose to this crew. All right, one more time, a little bit faster. When you blew on the new food, it was rude, and you knew. Who do you lose to? You lose to this crew. Good job. There you go. Those are the pure long vowels in American English. This pronunciation video was made in cooperation with TruVec. To learn more about TruVec, go ahead and click the link I left for you in the description.